In the last order sheet, Lordship had directed the respondent as to why they have not taken the joining of the petitioner, Lordship.
Applicant is presently unauthorized absent from his duty and therefore a disciplinary action is proposed against him. The TADK post was previously known as Bungalow Pune and the applicant knows the fact that he is required to be attached with the officer. Further, the inquiry against the applicant has been conducted wherein the charge of disobedience of lawful and unauthorized absence from his duty was found proved.
You were saying he was exonerated?
Lordship, yes, Lordship. There is an inquiry report, Lordship. Kindly see page 50. Page 50, last para, Lordship. On the last date, only on that basis, Lordship has asked the department as to why they have not taken the joining in spite of the inquiry report is in favor, Lordship. Kindly see
Was there
page
a subsequent inquiry also conducted?
No, nothing, Lordship. This is 5/2024. Thereafter, Lordship, I have went several times, but they have not given joining. And kindly see the letter. It is important document. Kindly see page 41, Lordship. Because, Lordship, they are harping on this letter, Lordship, for this poor person, Lordship. Kindly see the content of this letter, Lordship. They have himself typed this letter, and Lordship, they have taken
One second.
they have taken the signature, Lordship. Kindly see page 41, Lordship.
1 second.
And even otherwise, Lordship, the post of TADK cannot be transferred.
1 second.
Okay. Lordship. Letter is at page 41. 64?
Before the tribunal, it was 16th April. What happened before the tribunal?
No, Lordship, I have sought time for the rejoinder, Lordship, because they have filed the reply. Here we have come for the interim relief, Lordship, which was declined by the tribunal, Lordship. Because, Lordship, what tribunal is saying that joining and regularization is same relief. On that basis, they have declined my relief. Kindly see, Lordship, page number 16 of the tribunal, Lordship. Last 5 line. In any case, the relief sought in interim nature tantamounts to final relief. How this is final
Come
relief?
to the inquiry report.
Lordship, inquiry report, Lordship.
Nishkarsh,
Yes, Nishkarsh, Lordship.
page 50.
पेज 50. जांच के दौरान आरोपित कर्मचारी प्रशासनिक गवाह के बयानों और साक्ष्यों के आधार पर निष्कर्ष निकलता है कि आरोपित कर्मचारी के कथानुसार जो पत्र 6/10/23 इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट लॉर्डशिप को उसके द्वारा हस्ताक्षरित है वो उससे जबरन हस्ताक्षर करवाए गए हैं, लेकिन उसका ये आरोप बिल्कुल निराधार है क्योंकि उसके पास इस बात का कोई प्रमाण नहीं है। चूंकि कर्मचारी 10/10/23 से 16/1/24 तक लगातार अनुपस्थित था, इस कारण उस पर लगाए गए अनाधिकृत रूप से अनुपस्थित और प्रशासनिक आदेश की अवहेलना करने का आरोप सिद्ध होता है। लेकिन कर्मचारी के पूर्व के सेवा रिकॉर्ड जो कि श्री शत्रुघ्न सिंह पूर्व उप मुख्य इंजीनियर द्वारा प्रमाणित है कि के अनुसार प्रतीत होता है कि कर्मचारी कार्य के प्रति लापरवाह और अनुपस्थित रहने का आदी नहीं है और इस बात को नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता है कि अनाधिकृत रूप से अनुपस्थित की अवधि में कर्मचारी अस्वस्थ था और अपना उपचार करवा रहा था और जानकारी के अभाव में उसको द्वारा ये परिचित द्वारा इस बात की सूचना प्रशासन को नहीं दी गई। दे हैव नॉट गिवन एनी फाइंडिंग विद रिगार्ड टू एनी पनिशमेंट लॉर्डशिप and after this is dated 31/5/2024 lordship till date they have not given the joining and kindly see for a moment page number 41 the letter which is very important lordship they are harping on this letter 6/10/2023 kindly see page number 41 lordship will can understand that how they have treated this poor employee lordship. They himself has typed this letter lordship and taken the sign. He does not know English. Petitioner is present here, lordship. May I ask from the petitioner that whether he have written such type of letter. He have only said that मुझे खाना बनाना नहीं आता, मैं खाना नहीं बना सकता हूँ. Only this statement he has given and it is also in the inquiry report.
Before this, where was he posted?
Lordship at Jabalpur, lordship, and kindly see.
Before this, with whom was he posted? As what?
Lordship, he was posted at Jabalpur, Lordship.
With which officer?
That officer, Lordship,
And as what was he posted?
he was working in office, Lordship. He is working in office as a peon. Till his life, Lordship, he is also working at the bungalow and also in the
At
office.
bungalow, what was he doing?
सब्जी अब्जी बनाना, सब्जी लाना और सारे काम घर के करता था सर ये।
और उस दौरान में कुक कौन था घर पे? खाना कौन बनाता था? कोई नहीं बनाता था? कच्ची सब्जी खाते थे वो?
Lordship, for a moment, kindly see page number 36.
He is willing to work
Yes, Lordship, he is
at
willing to
any
work.
place?
Any place, Lordship.
Take work from him at home also.
He is willing to work any place and he is working till 24 hours in the earlier incumbent, Lordship.
कोई-
वहीं पे रहता था सर, वहीं रहता था, वहीं सारे काम करता था, फिर वो ऑफिस में काम करता था सर ये।
ऑफिस
और उसकी रिपोर्ट सर, उन साहब की रिपोर्ट भी आप देख लें सर, पेज नंबर 35 पे सर, पेज 35 पे देख लें सर, और पेज 36 देख लें। सारा जो ये सब चीज चालू हुई है सर, जब इसके 3 साल कंप्लीट हो गए सर, इसको स्क्रीनिंग पे भेजना था। काइंडली सी पेज नंबर 36 ऑफ, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लॉर्डशिप, दैट इज लेटर डेटेड 17/2/2023. दिस वॉज गिवन बाय श्री शत्रुघ्न सिंह वेयर ही इज वर्किंग लॉर्डशिप। उपरोक्त विषय अंतर्गत लेख है कि अधोक्षजकर्ता के अधीन कार्यरत
what is TADK?
TADK lordship, kindly see
What is
I
full
will
form
close
of
the
TADK?
policy lordship. It is called as telephone attendant cum डाक खलासी. At page 30 lordship, I have enclosed the policy lordship. Policy regarding telephone attendant cum डाक खलासी, TADK, and all the conditions were given, and the very important condition lordship is that page number 32 4C, that is at page number 32, terms and condition of employment, 4C. On completion of 3-year continuous service, the concerned officer will submit a final report regarding satisfactory, unsatisfactory service of the TADK. The TADK will be sent for medical examination. After such, he will be screened by a screening committee of 3 assistant officer, including the one from personnel and one from SC/ST committee, if applicable, to regularize his service. Once the committee finds the candidate suitable, PCPO will allot leave as per policy. Now, lordship, he has completed the work, and kindly see thereafter page number 36. Page number 36, that is letter dated 17/2/2023. उपरोक्त विषय अंतर्गत लेख है कि अधोक्षजकर्ता के अधीन कार्यरत TADK श्री जितेंद्र प्रताप सिंह का आवेदन पत्र दिनांक 15/2/23 प्राप्त हुआ, जिसमें उसके द्वारा दर्शाया गया कि आपके कार्यालय के संबंधित पत्र के आदेश दिनांक 23/20 दिनांक 10/2/20 द्वारा प्रार्थी की नियुक्ति TADK के पद पर अधोक्षजकर्ता के अधीन हुई थी, तथा प्रार्थी द्वारा दिनांक 10/2/20 को पदभार ग्रहण कर लिया गया था। उक्त भर्ती आदेशानुसार प्रार्थी की 3 वर्ष की सेवा पूर्ण करने के बाद ही प्रार्थी समूह ग्राहक के नियमित अवलोकन हेतु जांच के लिए योग्य माना जाएगा। संदर्भित पत्र संख्या 3 के अनुसार जारी TADK की पॉलिसी अनुसार उक्त TADK जितेंद्र प्रताप सिंह की 3 वर्ष की सेवा अधोक्षजक अधिकारी के अधीन सफलतापूर्वक कर ली गई है, जिसकी चरित्र एवं पूर्वत का सत्यापन अधिकारियों द्वारा कर दिया गया है, जो कि पत्र के साथ संलग्न प्रेषित है। आपसे अनुरोध है कि श्री जितेंद्र प्रताप सिंह TADK का स्क्रीनिंग का पात्र है। Thereafter, Lordship, what has happened? This Mr. Shatrughan Singh retired, Lordship, and thereafter, Lordship, they have not sent him to joining for screening, and after 7 months of working, Lordship, they have sent him to the quota. Whereas, Lordship, the temporary employee cannot be transferred, but they have transferred. Thereafter, that quota officer had sent him to Jabalpur, and from Jabalpur, Lordship, he was again asked him to join the quota, Lordship. Whereas they,
Whole dispute seems to be posting to quota.
Lordship,
Whole dispute seems to be posting to quota.
Lordship, he is willing to work, but Lordship, only thing what he has asked him to
So
do.
your challenge is to transfer. Challenge is not to disengagement from service.
No, Lordship, disagreement service के लिए भी है सर. I have claimed the relief or regularization, Lordship.
Regularization today अब अभी कहाँ काम कर रहा है?
अभी कहीं नहीं कर रहे सर.
क्यों?
क्योंकि सर हमको ज्वाइनिंग ही नहीं दे रहे. हमारा रेगुलराइजेशन जब होगा सर, हमारे 4 साल कंप्लीट होंगे. 4 साल कंप्लीट होने के लिए
If
3
you
महीने
look at
बचे हैं सर
the-
हमारे.
If you look at the relief sought for in the original application,
Yes,
one is send him for screening, pay the salary, consequential benefits from October till date of joining.
sir.
Transfer of applicant is not as per law. So your challenge is to transfer.
No, Lordship, direct the respondent to send the applicant for screening as he has completed 3 years of service as per.
अगर ये कोटा भेजते हैं, आप जाओगे नहीं जाओगे?
सर बिल्कुल जाएंगे सर.
जाने
हम
को तैयार हो?
जी बिल्कुल तैयार है सर.
We'll dispose it of saying that you are willing to offer your services, you will take work from him. Because termination has not been recommended by the inquiry committee.
Nothing बोलते.
Take down.
He is willing to work, Lordship, but only thing is that, Lordship, he does not know the cooking and.
देखो ऐसा है, अगर ये किसी अफसर के घर इसको कुक बना के भेज देंगे, खाना अच्छा बनवाएगा तो वो काम कराएंगे. खाना बनाने का अगर नहीं अच्छा बनाएगा तो क्यों वो बनवाएंगे?
सर एक दिन में आप देखें सर, एक दिन में क्या वो ऑफिसर जज कर सकते हैं कि ये खाना.
1 मिनट में जज कर सकते हैं. आप किसी को बोलो खाना बनाया, अभी 1 मिनट में पता लग
नहीं
जाएगा
सर,
बनाना आता है.
खाना तो इन्हें बनाया नहीं. उनने उनसे कहा कि आपको खाना भी बनाना पड़ेगा. इन्होंने कहा मुझे खाना नहीं बनाना आता.
इन्होंने कहा खाना नहीं बनाऊंगा.
नहीं बनाऊंगा नहीं, मुझसे बनाना नहीं आता.
बना के दिखा दे जैसा आता है. इनके घर में कौन बनाता है? शादी हो गई आपकी?
शादी हो गई सर, 1 साल की बच्ची है सर उसकी.
खाना कौन बनाता है इनके घर पे?
आपके घर में खाना कौन बनाता है? माता जी बनाती है सर. कैसे?
मिसेज नहीं बनाती इनकी?
मिसेज नहीं.
अपने लिए खुद बनाते हैं, दूसरों के लिए बनाना नहीं आएगा.
हमने मना नहीं किया सर.
देखिए आप अच्छा खाना बनाए, सीख जाओ.
सर मैंने बोला था सर.
आप सीख जाएं, खाना बनाना सीख जाओ. आधी से ज्यादा दुनिया खाना बनाती है.
Lordship, he is willing to work, Lordship, at any place. Lordship will direct,
Counsel
Lordship.
for petitioner submits that without prejudice to his petition, he is willing to offer his services for any position or place where the respondents may deem fit. He submits that though petitioner he is also willing to work in office or at the residence of any officer that he may be placed at any location. Learned counsel for the respondent submits that without prejudice to the rights in contention, respondent shall place the petitioner at an appropriate place without prejudice to the rights in contention and subject to outcome, subject to further orders that may be passed on the original application pending before the Central Administrative Tribunal. The respondent shall place the petitioner at an appropriate place of posting so that work can be taken. He further assures that on petitioner being so placed, the salary of the petitioner shall be disbursed to the petitioner for the period that he renders service. With regard to the arrears, full stop. In view of the above, this petition is disposed of, directing the respondents to give joining to the petitioner and post the petitioner at an appropriate place of posting, either in the office or at the residence of an officer, as may be required by the respondents. Petitioner shall be paid salary for the period that petitioner is asked to work. With regard to the arrears of salary, the same shall be subject to the orders to be passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal in accordance with law.
And Lordship, he has completed 3 years in February.
That tribunal.
Lordship, exercise may be completed within
The
some time frame.
respondent shall issue appropriate orders of posting, shall give joining and appropriate orders of posting to the petitioner within 2 weeks from today.
Obliged.
It is clarified that this court has neither considered nor commented on the merits of the contention of either party. All rights and contentions of parties are reserved.
Lords, a 4-week time may be granted because
We-
procedure has to be.
पोस्टिंग ही देनी है इसको और करना क्या?
Obliged.
हाँ सर, अनावेदक की माँ है सर,
हाँ जी,
अनावेदक की माँ है सर ये, बिमला बाई।